this is the interface for our application called Eugenie, and this is what it will look like when it's displayed on the Microsoft Surface table. So here we can see the left side is the search field. This area is the workspace where you will build your tree, which displays the device and parts of your design. And these two are sliding panels that I will go into more detail later. So first of all, to start, you want to build your device. So in the search field, you can input whatever part or device you want to add into this workspace. So for example, I want to look for device A. I can type in here device A, and search results will populate this section. So I can scroll through the search results. When I see what I want, I can touch it and drag it into this area. Next, we want to build upon this part or device that you've added. So you search for the next part or device, and when you find what you want, you tap and drag, and based on your placement in the workspace, it will connect, snap together, and will create this object in the workspace. So now we want to build upon this device that we have here, and eventually you'll get something more complicated that could look something like this. So here we see at the level 2 level you can name the design that is comprised of multiple devices, and within each device are the parts that comprise the device. So when you click on this, you can see more information about the specific parts within the device, and listed would be the properties and the rules associated with the parts. And when you click on the part, you can get more information about the part. So here we have a generic promoter, and you can see the properties, and because it's generic, these are blank. But say you wanted to search for promoters with a specific property, you could input the specific property that you want, and that would filter your search results. So this is the functionality of the tree view for Eugenie. But we also have these two other panels. The next one is the design visualizer, which basically shows the behavior of the parts that make up the design you created in the tree view. So this is basically a visualization of the behavior of the parts. And the last sliding panel is the Eugene code that underlies the tree that you've built. So this would have the rules and the definitions of the properties that you'd like to be added to the parts in your tree. And you can, in the end, you can see the results of the possible permutations for the device, for the design that you've built, and the results would be in list format. And that is the functionality of Eugenie.